Did you know that with iOS 18, you can now record videos without interrupting your music? If you've been frustrated with how your music stops playing every time you start recording a video on your iPhone, I've got a quick and easy solution for you. So let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18. Head to your settings, then tap on General and choose Software Update to check if you have the latest version installed. If you're on iOS 18, follow these steps. Open your music app and start playing a song. Once your music is playing, exit the app and open the Camera app on your iPhone. Now, start recording a video by tapping the shutter button. You'll notice that your music continues to play in the background, even while you're recording. This is a great way to capture those special moments while enjoying your favorite tunes. If you're interested in more tutorials like this on iOS 18, check out the playlist in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.